Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: your iPhone passcode, the Apple ID password, and any two-factor device access. This avoids lockouts. Once ready, make a full backup to iCloud or a computer so you can restore data if needed. Next, try turning off Find My iPhone in settings under your name. Apple requires this for removal. If you can authenticate, proceed immediately. If not, note that later steps cover other removal paths and required proof of ownership. You now perform the local sign out. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Sign Out, enter the Apple ID password and confirm. Make sure to choose whether to keep contacts, calendars, and keychain data on the iPhone. This determines what stays after removal. If you don't remember the password, use Apple.com to reset it with two-factor or account recovery, and then return here. Once authenticated, the device will fully dissociate. After you complete sign out, you finish by erasing the iPhone to remove all account ties. Settings, General, Reset, or Transfer or Reset, then erase all content in Settings. This clears the Apple ID locally. If Activation Lock asks for the previous Apple ID, supply those credentials or, if unavailable, present proof of purchase to Apple support for removal. If you hit errors, make sure Find My was disabled. Otherwise, contact Apple with the device serial and receipt. This resolves most stuck removal cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.